So I've been waiting for this since June, July, this particular laptop. And I'm actually really excited for it because it has this one. Okay, admittedly, I think it's a rather gimmicky feature, but I like it because Asus has been the one that's mostly like pushing out all these interesting features like the Ergo Hinge and things like that. I find that it's quite interesting, and Asus sort of took a design a little bit further than other companies in terms of their gaming Zephyrus lineup. I really like this. It's probably a laptop that I wouldn't mind using like as my daily driver every day because of the specs inside, the size, the form factor, and basically how it looks as well. I actually saw this, and usually if you've seen my previous unboxing of the Zephyrus, I don't like the bag. I throw out the bag. But when I saw this, I was like, this is actually a laptop bag that I wouldn't mind using. Just a quick look, because I'll feature it in the review video that'll be coming out soon. Stay subscribed or click subscribe if you haven't. You'll be linked in this channel. But I really dig the pink blue, the kind of design, and the form factor and the comfort of it. It feels really nice, and all these details, the zips, it screams quality. And it comes with, I believe, part of the, like, if you pay for the laptop, it comes with it. It should lah. So this is the case that I will put my laptop in. It's actually very nice, but that's not what you're here for, okay? So we are here for the actual you know what? I'm not sure if you can see it, but oh yeah, full disclosure, I've actually like unboxed it for a bit because I need to do some quick testing first, but I just put it back just to do all the testing again. So there we have it, the actual laptop itself. Inside the box is basically the portable charger and instruction manuals and a mouse if you need it, but it's nothing much. You're here for this, which I'm gonna rip it off. So again, please skip this cover. Got it. This is one of the most compact and powerful gaming laptops that I've seen in a 14-inch laptop. So basically, the most interesting part about this laptop is this. So while it looks like a trypophobia kind of situation, it's actually not. I've used it for a bit, just like a few days, and I really like this look of the matrix or the lights on it. So basically all these individual holes are actually light sources that can go, that are white light. So the easiest way to show it, I think if I start up the laptop, it should show that. So let's see if it shows anything. Because when yeah. So not sure if you can see it, but it sort of like had this light going on. Yeah, so this laptop is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. It's actually launched in the US first, and I've been hounding my Asus rep. Thank you so much for being patient with me to get this particular unit as a review, because I felt that there was a lot of value in this laptop, and it is like a one-time piece that I've seen that really attracted me in a sense that like it sort of ticks all the right boxes, like long battery life, powerful processor, powerful GPU, that kind of thing. But this particular unit that I have is actually slightly not as powerful as the model that, actually they have two models. So the difference is that the CPU on the one that I have is not as good as the other one, and the GPU is not as powerful as well. So they actually have two tiers. I have the lower end tier one, but I'll be doing reviews on it. So let me know if there's anything in particular that you want to know about this laptop, and just leave it in the comment section down below. And again, remember to subscribe, turn on notifications if you're interested. I'll be posting a review of this very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.